So hello everyone, this is another video. In this video I will explain you about the OSSEC and installation and configuration of that tool. And this is the official website of that OSSEC.net, and you can clearly see the about section. OSSEC is a scalable multi-platform open source host-based intrusion detection system. It means it can detect everything inside your system, and it is available for Windows registry, also Linux, OpenBSD, FreeBSD, and Mac Solaris. For most of those are covered in this tool, and it is open source. It is freely available and very good community support they are giving. So it is very good tool to monitor your system and to understand whatever things are going on inside your system. You can easily see on a dashboard. So recently I was working on this tool, so I thought to put a video on the YouTube so you can also get some information of it. So let's start. This is the script I have written, and that 2.9 was the stable version when I was using this tool. So that script is for that. Whatever the new, I guess 3 point something version is available, so you can replace this link with the new version, and the most of the commands will be same, and I will paste the same commands in my blog also. You can check out below the video, the link I will be give. Okay, so let's start. First update the system. This is the same machine I was using, the OpenVAS, and if you have seen the last video, lots of update. And one more thing is there after the OSSEC, the fork version means OSSEC. It was a tool you can see in this website. I was working on that tool also recently, and I found it like it was brilliant. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that tool is like you can see here. This so open source, and this tool will cover security analysis, intrusion detection, log data, file integrity, vulnerability detection, and most of the things like incident response, regulatory compliance, and cloud security monitoring. And it is very awesome tool, really. So after this maybe I will cover this tool. And the best thing about this tool, it is like you will see here in the documentation, see the structure of the tool. Let's yeah, it is covering all the things like OSSEC is here, and OpenSCAP is here, Elastic is here, and it is based on client server architecture. Like you need to configure a master node, and yeah, here in a master node like Virtual Manager, API, Logstash, Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Virtual app will be there, and you can monitor your system with the agent. You need to install agent in a system where you want to monitor, and you can monitor from here all the systems. And it is available for Windows and Linux, and the cross-platform verification is also available there. So it's very good tool. Maybe I will cover in next video. So let's go here. It is updated. Clear the screen. Okay, let's install the Apache first, because we need a web server. Yeah, see, I can run this script also, so it will all install and configure it within a click, but I need to explain each and everything, what is going on in each and every command. So making the video and doing single commands. So it's installing. The best thing I liked about OSSEC was it's giving very like detailed information about your system, and I don't know how This tool is free. And then in the Linux, that open community is working very hard. Really, they are giving very good free and open source tool so that we can enjoy. Okay, so Apache install. Let's install the bind essential for the support. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, now again update. These things are required because when you install or do something in your system, it needs to be update so everything will work fine. Okay, now we will get the GitHub from the GitHub repository. We will download the tool. Yeah, the tool is downloaded. Now we will go inside. Oh, I guess I copied both command in the same. No problem. Let's do work here. The unzipping the file. Then we will go inside the file. Just see whatever the things are here. Here are the real files for the OSSEC HIDS 2.9.2 version. Everything is here, and the installation file is here. So we will do, we will install the file. Yes, so press enter. I wanted the local. Yeah, the same. I want email notification. No, I don't want. If you want to email notification, just write your email address after the yes. Do you want to run the integrity check? Yes. Do you want to run the rootkit detection? Yes. Do you want to enable the active response? Yes. Do you want to enable the firewall period response? Yes. Do you want to add more IPs? No, I don't want. Okay, now press enter. It is being installed in the system. I don't think it takes much time. Yeah, it's faster than OpenVAS. That was very long and big configuration on installation. Generating lots of configuration file. Still going on. Regex voice match. So here the installation is finished, I guess. So it's asking for enter. So we'll, after pressing the enter, yeah, it's complete. Now we need to start it. Just start the tool with the command. You can see, yeah, everything is working fine here. Now in this tool we do not have like pre-installed GUI. So they are giving separate package. Here is the link, GitHub with the OSSEC web UI. So we will install this web UI also to monitor, to get the dashboard of this tool. So let's back to our directory. No, maybe, yeah, this one is there. Yeah, now here is the file for the web UI. We will download it. Okay, here's the command master job. Okay, we need to unzip this file. Yeah, so where is our file? Yeah, this one, OSSEC web UI master. So we will there's one more command. I don't remember actually why. Let's see what this command do. The dependencies. Okay, now we will go. Now we need to move this file to //www.html and OSSEC. So with this we can access from the browser. So we will move this file to that location. Okay, now we need to go to the location. This is the location of file. We will copy from here. Paste it here. Okay, so here is the setup. So we will run the setup. The username, I'm going to give my name and the password. Retype the password. To your web server username, whatever the web server you are using, the Apache, www, the nobody, the data. So I'm using Apache here. So okay, this is successfully installed. Now start the Apache. Okay, now update the system again. Now we need to install PHP for the dashboard. Whatever the things it's going to show, it will take help from PHP. So PHP 7 we will install. So the PHP is installed here, and the last command is like bind essential gcc make Apache. Yeah, it was the combination of each and everything like PHP CLI. So I put this command at the last if even these things get fail on the start, so you can get back here. It was the script, so I wrote this. Let's just run it. So maybe whatever the things are left, it can cover all the things. Yeah, maybe some things are missed. It was the CLI, I guess. The send mail also for the notification. Updating the mail. So this is finally installed. So let's check if it is working. The IP address, this machine, and go to the browser. Class OSSEC, because this is the folder we have pasted the GUI. Okay, so this is the unable to access OSSEC directory. I don't know what is the problem here. Let's just check. Okay, so it's not able to check the OSSEC directory. Maybe let's start the tool again. Where is the start? Here. Okay, everything is okay, but why it is not able to detect? The again same problem. So I figured out what the problem was. It was actually the web server we installed, not the web server, sorry. It was like the GUI what we were using for the OSSEC here. I gave the last time the Apache, but it is not the Apache. We need to give the www data when we are using Apache server, and I restart the service and it is totally working fine. So you can see the complete dashboard here of OSSEC. It is looking like it, and it is showing live detection, live the events whatever happening inside your system. Like this is the virtual box, this is the error log, this is the rule ID, what the thing is going on. So currently no file is modified, so it is saying no integrity checking information available, nothing reported as changed. So this is the local host, where our agent is installed. We can access outside the local but we need to have a public IP address in our machine. If we are having that, we can check it easily outside. So this is the tool, it is how it is working. We can search here when we are having a lots of logs, a lots of thing to check. So we can give here the search parameters and we can search here, and each and every, like, if integrity checking is here, so currently no file is modified. So whatever we are doing inside our system, like even if I add a user to our system, it will be logged here with the date and the time. So this is the very good tool to continuously monitor your system from anywhere, and it is available for Windows, Linux, and lots of platform. So you can learn a lot from it. So if you like the video, please comment, and like the video, please share, and you can subscribe to the channel also. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for the watching.